All right, folks, this one's a bit different because I'm cooking my dinner, so you get a different angle and I won't be looking at you much. But something came to my mind when I was compiling, or while I'm still compiling, the video that you're going to see possibly at the same time as this one, possibly before or after, I don't know. But the idea is, I talked about your communication has to be perfect. And honestly, is that even possible in the modern world? And the answer is yes, and the answer is no. We live in an age where instant worldwide communication is a thing. But we live in an age where that instant worldwide communication is not always secure. I mean, we know that phone calls can be interrupted, can be intercepted. We know that emails are not secure. I work in IT. Part of my daily life is security. I have to be able to do my job without compromising company information, client information, personal information, so on and so forth. There are a lot of things out there that help with this. Many of them developed by or due to something developed by the military. I mean, we know that the internet came about due to a company needing a way to transfer data between employees. It wasn't due to Al Gore inventing it. It wasn't, I almost melted a plate there, that would have been bad. But it wasn't due to Al Gore. It wasn't due to the military, if I'm correct, although they've had a great influence on a lot of parts of it. It was due to a company that needed to be able to transfer data securely. So they created the first email. From that, other people decided, we can do stuff with that. We can work with that. We can do more than just transmit simple messages or files. Flash forward 40, 50, 60 years. We now have instant worldwide communication where a video I'm recording in North Texas can be viewed on the other side of the planet within seconds of the upload finishing. I watch YouTubers. I watch YouTube a lot right now. But I watch people that interest me. One of those channels is How Ridiculous. And it is simply because the stuff they do is extremely ridiculous. But it's also entertaining. You know, seeing a huge Atlas stone, or Hulk fist, or Thor's hammer dropped on a refrigerator or a car. It's interesting to me. They're in Australia. And I get their stuff within seconds, thanks to notifications. Demo Ranch is several hours away from me. Brandon Herrera is several states away. Kentucky Ballistics. Edward Circassian is not local. I watch a lot of stuff that's not local to me. But it doesn't affect my being able to watch it. Now, that said, if you don't believe the military has come up with a way to secure their own communication, you're so naive that I have a beachfront property in Colorado to sell you because Arizona's already gone. I mean, it's just so simple that it doesn't matter what they're doing. We're not going to know about it until it's done. It's just the way it is. We're not going to hear about anything going on with tribunals, with charges with this, that, or the other. I mean, there are literally branches in the military where if people find out you died at completing your mission, you're disavowed. I mean, that's how secure they keep their communication and their information. So, again, I'm not telling you ignore information. I'm not telling you to unfollow people and to quit trying to figure out what's going on in the world. I'm telling you to open your eyes, open your mind, and understand that we are not involved in a direct way in what's going on. If you are, I hope you're involved on the side carrying it out, not the people they're going to come looking for. It's very simple. Whatever's happening has probably been in the planning stages for at least 2 years, if not longer. It involves people that may have been publicly shown to have left certain positions. I mean, it's that simple. We're not going to know until it's over and done with. And even then, we will probably not be told everything. Think about how long it took to declassify the documents and other information relating to the Kennedy assassination. Think about how long it took to get that information publicized in a form where we could even think of reading it or anything. There's a Zapruder film. The fact that it's been out since 1963 tells me it's a red herring. It's just that simple. You're not going to know until it's over. And even then, what they tell you, I hate to tell you this, probably misdirect. Just my 2 cents.